You alright, mate?
Just 1 minute. Wait there, we'll help you get up in it. Yeah, we'll help you get up, man. Take a seat on the curb and take a minute. You split your head, man.
Yeah, you
gonna get that side, bro.
Yeah.
Be careful, man. We're gonna help you.
Well, leave him. Stay down, mate. Stay down. Stay down.
Just pull us up.
No, stay down, mate. You banged your head. You banged your head bad, mate.
That is, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ring an ambulance now, yeah?
Well, cop. No, you need an ambulance, mate.
Give us your room.
Just stay down. You're gonna fall again.
No, gotta get up.
You're gonna fall again, mate.
All that was for us to pick up that 10 pence. That's what I fell over.
Hello, mister. Can I have an ambulance, please?
Oh, I don't need it. No, mate. Don't bother.
You do, mate. You banged your head bad. Trust me.
No.
You banged your head.
Old man said before that his head is like really bleeding and he's got a big lump at the back of it. Yeah, I think he's had a bit to drinking. He's just trying to get up and walk up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, Josh, but...
Just stay there.
He's saying that he don't, but he looks a bit drunk. And as an old man, I don't.
He's really banged his head. He's banged his head.
Banged his head on the back. He's took a.
Just don't want you to fall down again.
Yeah. Fair enough. A dodgy leg, you said. That's the
Yeah. Don't worry about it.
Well, I thought I'd just about make that, no problem. Wrong.
You got a first aid kit or something? He's banged his head. Called an ambulance. Yeah, called it.
Here we go. All right, killer.
Just fell over. That lad's just phoned the ambulance and he's on the thing, but.
Hey, thanks a lot, mate.
Don't worry about it. Like I say, it's a bit of a nasty bang on your head, so.
Yeah. I'll see you get rid of it.
It's got a first aid kit in there.
Hot day, innit? You've got to, obviously had to toddle about, ain't you, with this stuff?
Exactly.
You're certainly right, man.
Where on me back go?
Should have a grandson with you, though, with your phone on you.
Correct.
Good lad, man. Bless him.
So that went for a couple of beers.
If you was my granddad, my heart would sink, man.
No, I wouldn't.
Get a nice walking cane.
Yeah, that's what he definitely needs, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm going to get one of them buggies.
Yeah, it's even better.
So I can really piss everybody off.
Just found him on the floor. I think he was reaching. Just fell over.
I was reaching for this.
Yeah.
Right. There were 10 pence on the floor. Pick it up. I can't leave money around. And I missed it and fell over.
Oh, what are you like?
That's how it goes, killer.
How are you feeling?
Perfectly all right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He's got a big nasty bang on his back.
Oh, I worry about you nothing, mate.
They're sending him.
Next time,
I rang the ambulance.
leave it.
I was going to leave it.
I've got it. I'll give it him now.
These,
You got it?
For these blokes, mate, they're extraordinary.
Oh, they got it for
I was
you.
going to bugger off.
I rang the ambulance. She told me to get something dry, quite thick, and just put it on his head, hold it, and don't lift it up to look.
Yeah. You just keep that on there for me.
So.
You wait.
Hey, not
You
the
wait.
gloves.
I'm not a nurse. You stay standing up. Right, you're going to need you to help me in a second.
What you're going to do, put that there and then
Yeah,
wrap it
so
round?
I'm going to put this over.
Underneath?
Yeah, you take it off. You take it off. Yeah. You take that off. Yeah. Oh, are you?
Wickedness, though. She told me to get something
I'm
hard,
not.
hard, thick, dry, and hold it on.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Tom.
just casually fell over,
Bless you.
as one does.
He's trying to pick up some money.
Oh, yeah.
Of course.
Did you trip or did you just fall over?
I'll do this.
No, I went to reach for this, right, and missed it.
Yeah.
Oh, wicked, man.
I'll just go you first.
You're perfect, mister. Perfect. Sound as.
Bit on my arm where he grabbed me around.